Okay. Good evening. Good evening all over the world, all over the ocean, all over the sea. Okay, so our topic for today is how to install MASM32 SDK version 11 downloads. So, all my followers, again, if there is we're going to learn assembly codes. Okay, not only me, you also. Okay, so go to masm32.com, download, and click this download, and go to Australia, click Australia, and you can see I downloaded it twice already. So I did it just now, 2 minutes ago, to make a demonstration of how to do it on live. Okay, so if I click my folder, I think it become 2. This is the MASM32 last time I downloaded because I want to ready my tutorial, and this one I can delete this one also. So after downloading, delete and sleep. No, I just download, you can run that one. Actually, I have here already in last week. I'm preparing for you and I'm discussing the okay, so this is live, no cut. I don't want to cut, I don't want to cheat, so just follow what I'm doing and just copy this into Drive F, because let's see why you are going to copy in Drive F, why I cannot direct on Drive C, because I think I remember last time when I'm installing this and I'm trying to learn this one, I read something in the instruction, maybe let's try again. So after this is a zipper file, so we're going to unzip it. You can download 7-zip. Okay, so in 7-zip you can visit okay, I'm connected already in the internet for a while. I think later I will share down my connection. Download 7-zip. Okay, then there is here a download on 7-zip, and you can run this. Okay, you look for your 64-bit Windows and download this exe file. After you download it, then it is only a small file. Okay, and after you downloaded it, just install, because it is an exe. Okay, that's it. Then after you download that, and you have now 7-zip will added in Windows command here. If you right click this file, automatic, you can see there is a 7-zipper, this one, 7-zip, and read about 7-zip. What are those? Teach yourself. Okay, I'm here just to guide you and to experience some experience in IT that I encountered in my life. Okay, so now we're going to double click this one and install. I think I read in some documentation. Let's try to look if there are some installation procedure there. Okay, see, let's try that. The MASM SDK is designed to install on Windows operating system version Windows 2000 upward. It's not designed to install on earlier Windows 95 system, Windows ME. Okay, because there is Windows 3.5 no last time, 3.1. So the MASM SDK, then the computer could be completely free on board and run this one as administrative right. Okay, and the computer executable. Common problems with the inexperienced user: the computer is infected with either a Trojan toolkit or BIOS interferes with the restriction by obstructing the file to write to this, and either computer assuming that it's free from any infection, see, or damage or installation. Okay, the person installing anything does not have sufficient administrative instruction. Common problem expected. I think I read here so that it will not affect my system. Okay, but it's up to you to find it, because it will take time if we are going to find what I read last time. See, what's this? Setting and development computer. See, the translation net, so you can connect it online with the network. Okay, so let's try now. Assumption. Computer is correctly configured and completely free on any Trojan. So you have free virus. No, I'm just kidding. Free meaning free from virus meaning no virus. Okay. It's up to you to debug and see what happened inside. I'm trying to learn those. Okay, so design to install in the system. Targeted experienced programmer usually have multiple development environments, multiple programs. Okay, because sometimes there are departments where they assign in GUI, they assign, and then they consolidate their program. Okay, and last time we used CBS. Now in the CBS now is the GitHub. You can see who is the one who edit your code. Everybody can join in your code. So GitHub. Okay. Okay. I don't know in what area. We are doing proper security here. Okay, so I think I read somewhere here, but it's up to you to read. Okay, so it's been a long time I installed also this one. Okay, so now right click this one and make an administrative, run as administrator, and it asks, do you want to allow this app there's from a known publisher to make changes to your device? Click yes. Okay, then after clicking yes, this one, welcome to the world of Disney. Welcome to the MASM32 installation. The development software is installed on a properly configured computer, otherwise the installation may be prevented from installing completely due to security or operating system settings. You should not attempt to install the MASM32 SDK on a limited or restricted user profile or your computer, as it will not allow the installation to function properly. Refer to the MASM32 installation guide if you are not familiar with the procedure, blah 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 and blah blah blah. So you see this one, install. Click install to begin. Okay, click and select the installation partition. See in F. Install will now try and determine if it is currently successfully build the MASM32 SDK on your computer. Then click OK. Right operation of the exe file appears to be okay. Okay. The operation of exe file appears to be okay. And I am the test executable file. Click OK to continue. See, they are doing like this in your system. Delete operation of exe file. But this it's okay. It's up to you. Because I do click extract to proceed. So it's extracting, writing MASM32 installation on your hard disk. 81% extracting. See, it is extracting now. At least I'm just playing safe because it will connect to your Windows also. I don't know. So what happened now? What's happened now? See? Still here. I will disconnect my system here. My connection. Okay, let's connect it. Okay, then as you can see here, the next operation uses the console to build the libraries for the MASM SDK. This operation should not be interfered with or run as a background task. This may result on errors in the library operation. No warning or error. I know. Okay, let's click okay. See, they are running like this. They are running Windows System 32, then the exe, then assembling 1394 bus, Microsoft Linker version 5.12. So, you do not want to disturb your Windows. So you install it in a different drive. Then later on, you copy and paste to drive C. It's okay. You try, you install in your drive C. I never try it. I just okay, so incremental linker version 5.12. See, it's like a frog. It's like a turtle, but I don't know. Maybe in your PC it is fast, but what's going on? Okay, assembling 8. See, they are assembling one by one. Assembling that awesome linker version. That's why. Better if it is slow, you can read. If it is fast, you cannot read. Okay, creating library. Okay, phishing, creating library, phishing lib, incremental linker version. I don't know if there is a log file. You post my video if you want to read those installation. Creating library, UDBPK, so many. Okay, then do like this, and blah blah blah, auto leave, Microsoft Assembler. So it's running ML and link. What I demonstrate to you. How do they do this? I don't know. They put that in binary. Okay. They program it, they write in assembly, they convert, they run the ML, they run the link. That's what happened. That's how they do that. Okay. As you can see, they are running incremental link here. They always incremental link here, incremental link here. Okay. So now they're giving us the library. Create the UI awesome. You can review this, but crypt 32 you can decrypt it. You can try to look for those files. Now it is in one package. I think. Yeah. Those names are only assembly, though ASM and live. Debug live. Oh, see, even the library, those DLL file, those lib file. The device manager ASM become library. You see, from ASM to library. No, see, on top, you go to library. So at least you, and this one is the same with this one. This one become a library. See, this is the other become daily. So it is compiling. It is compiling all the files in ASM. How great is our God. Okay. Thank you to all those people on IT around the world by giving us all this. Okay, so you have to enjoy, want to explore. So we see it's keep installing now. Okay. So I think I can pause the video and wait to finish. Okay. So hold on. Let's see what happened after this. Starting. My video again is not pausing. We're doing live here. Okay, better we wait. It's not pausing, right? Yeah, see, it's not pausing. I create a shortcut and it's not working. Maybe this one don't want to disturb. I don't know. Okay. Copyright Microsoft Corporation linker version linker assembler macro assembler then the linker. After doing macro assembler, the ML, it will create an object. I demonstrated it to you last time. Then after that object, you have to link and it will create an exe file. So that's what is going on. See, the Microsoft is 1981 to 1997. Oh, since 1997, that's the one they are using. See, so if you review all of this by yourself, you will become a hacker and a good programmer, like the one I told you in the sample. That's why some people are afraid to learn assembly, because they don't know how to read binary. Oh, the decimal, the decimal, what are those? Hexadecimal, what is that? Constant EQU. So try to learn one by one. Now we have the chat GPT now. That's very nice robot. Okay. So let's wait. A few moments later. I think it's been a long while. Okay, so at least you know what's going on. It is live, no cut, because we're going to demonstrate. Okay, so just leave it like that. Assembling, not leave. Mentas asam. V1 install. You see, you will become a computer scientist. You can go like the one doing the example last time in a video. In industrial company, you are designing codes. So I hope in my tutorial now we are ready to read those hexadecimal. What are those meaning of the octal? What are the meaning of the hexadecimal, octal? Okay, so okay, 24 hours later, still running. Okay, because it says it cannot be disturbed by your windows, so better it is on drive C and any other drive. So let this do what he wants. Okay, Microsoft Assembler 1992 to 1998. First is the assembler, after that the linker. Remember that? First is the assembler, after that the linker. Then assembler, then the linker. Because they convert the ASM into an object. And that object you can share to Linux, you can share to POSIX. And after that converted to exe. Then this one converted into libraries. They are converting to library now, so they have the complete code of the ASM. You see, it's very nice to explore this in your entire life. If let's say you are 10 years old and you read this code, in the future we have a lot of genius is a computer scientist, because at the early age they learn how to read binaries. It happens that a lot of people, they don't know how to read binaries. What is that? I don't like to learn that 1 and 0. What is that hex? What is that FF? I read what are those FF, A, B, C, D, F, E. So now you are happy. Just visit my website and teach yourself, improve yourself one by one, line by line. Ask GPT to explain to you the code, or you can ask GPT for some codes. Give me a code of MASM32 or hello world. You try that. Okay, then there's a lot of samples. Better you study all the samples, because once you learn it, you can modify it. Okay, there's so many things to learn. I will give you the time, because you are still young. I know, once you know how to read binaries, hex, octal, and hex, octal, decimal, use the Windows calculator. I demonstrate to you already how to use it in programming. Okay. The TAPI32 become library. See? The TCP/IP is become library. So they have a complete list of assembly. Then they create Windows. Oh, what's the use of C? What's the use of C programming language? The C++. Those are all high-level language. So better we concentrate in this low-level language. Because from here you can talk already with the device, with the machine direct. That's why you can create like the one in the example. You can create machineries controlling the signal, this one. So it's up to you, it's up to us to review how they do it. What for me, I'm teaching you the base, the origin. Later I will give you also some bootloader example, and how you can run that one in QEMU emulator. I can teach you that. There is also some virtual machine in Oracle You can download some virtual machine and you can enable in Windows your Hyper-V. Okay, in Hyper-V you can create how many networks you can create. You can install 20 PC and one server. Then you imagine that you are controlling the bank by giving permission to the accountant, to the human resource. I can teach you that. I can teach you as a system how to become a system administrator in the bank, in a big company, in controlling the IP range. You see, it's run MASM include blah 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 blah. So I don't want to disturb my C drive. But it's okay. If you want to try, never mind, it's okay. You just try into your C drive. Assembling again. See, they start all in ASM code. After that become object. After become object, become exe file. See? So if you can extract those code before they are trying to do it before they are trying to compile it, it's good. There's a software. There's a lot of programmers around the globe, and I hope in the future we are all assembly programmers. Wow. But this one is for the factory. This one is for computer engineering. You design a factory, let's say asphalt factory. You set up the you see 2 bin. You see there is 6 bin. Before it is only assembly code, then become exe file. Then we can use from exe to binary. Wow. So they do that because they learn, they study. Okay? You can do that. Actually, the hardest part is only reading binaries and read those CPU registers, review that. And later on you will become like them, and sometimes you overtake their knowledge. Alright? So that's the word. So nowadays they do not like to learn assembly. But we have to learn. Okay? Little by little, you can learn it. Okay? That's why. So what you are going to do? Go some coffee. You prepare your coffee or milk. While you are waiting, you wash your clothes. the washing machine. It takes time. Maybe that's the reason I installed that in drive, another drive, because maybe I'm doing something in my window. That's okay. It says don't disturb, so don't disturb. Okay. And you're ready. Ask that GPT. Can you explain all this to me? And then he will explain to you. See? And it says here, installation success. Oh, this is the one. Oh God, thank you. Installation is successful. You see, that is IT. You need patience. Okay, if you do not have patience, you get angry. No. Better hungry. After that, you eat. Press any key to continue installation. Then you find any key in your keyboard. So you try it from the left to the middle up to the right. Where is any key? So don't have any key, meaning just any key. Just close your eyes and press any key in your keyboard. Okay, so the main system libraries kernel that the GDI appear to have built correctly. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. The static libraries CPU detail appear to have built correctly. So what is this? Keycon.bbs install icon script, run it. Oh, I see. This one you're going to run the script. This is a shell script. But you read first what happened. Set shell, create an object, WS script shell. That is scripting in Windows. PowerShell, I think. Yeah, because BBS is a Visual Basic script. Then desktop path shell, that is special folder, desktop. Set link shell creator shortcut desktop, MASM32 link, okay. Link description MASM32 and app link and save. Oh, it's okay. You can run the script. It is safe. Okay. Okay, click yes. The installation has proceeded to its completion and appear to have run correctly. Now sometimes is not complete, so you read. Okay. Okay. And click OK. After OK, see, it's appear here now. It's running. See. Now I have a newly fresh born baby MASM32. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our tutorial, and you can follow now on some hacking, some reverse engineering, and let's study in the future. But you study your own. Okay, I give you all the instrument. And there is a robot can teach you. Okay, so that's how I install it. Okay, I think I can stop my tutorial now. Thank you for watching, and see you next again in my tutorial. But before I exit, last time I told you this is a Intel, this is assembly code for Windows. Okay, so there are options here that you can use. The one I'm telling you, the Linux AT&T. It will put percentage. Then there is this one, the Randall Heide HLA in assembly. You can choose any format you want. Okay, and you can clear all this. Later on I will give you some lecture on this. So if you change to Linux AT&T, as you can see now, we have a different format. You see, our EAX there is already percent. Well, that's how they do it, and this one will become inverted. Last time the EBP is on this side. So I hope you enjoy our tutorial. I want to I want to, before I go, I want to clear to you, okay, this thing. As you can see here, in the red color, as you can see, there are percent already, you see. Oh, how come all the register there is percent? That is the AT&T, that is the Linux format. See? Oh. Yeah. So I want Windows style. So click MASM Microsoft. See, where is the percentage? So see, the EBP become ESP. So I told you, this is the source, this is the destination. Okay. Let's try to see this 401015. Okay, I put my, as you can see here, BP is the source, SP is the destination. So meaning the value of SP, the stack pointer, what value in stack pointer will go to base pointer. Okay, it will copy, meaning BP is equal to SP. Okay. So this one, remember this one is ESP on the right. Okay, ESP on the right, and EBP, the base pointer, on the left. Okay, so that is the source going to the destination, or destination going to the source. Actually, it is only equal. Okay, so but you can read the syntax of you can read the syntax help here. Okay, so now when I change this, you remember this, 401, where's the cursor? EBP on the left, SP on the right. EBP on the left, SP on the right. EBP on the left, SP on the right. EBP on the left, EBP on the left, SP is the right. How come it it's changed? See, I told you, that's what I'm telling you. So that's how it works. Okay, we cannot blame, we cannot blame them. They have their different style. Everybody has a different style of doing things. Okay, that's why I told you, not everybody are what I mean is, your formula is smaller than I. You create a program, there's a lot of codes, but for you it's only small. So meaning your mind is better than me, something like that. We are not all the same. Okay, that's why I'm thinking, I'm just teaching you those I found. That's why I found that the world is round. Okay, so goodbye to all my followers, and enjoying your codes and debugging your codes and learning all this function, what happened until here. See, you can see only one style, EBP, SP, and they call the function. There is another calling convention. They are calling again those EBP, SP. Okay. I demonstrated this to you last time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the time that we are learning. So now you can start your life. Okay, at least I just give you all the hints, and I found another in this world. There is another, I will share you the BC00 and the AA55 next in the next video. We will That is the magic signature of the bootloader in BIOS, in CMOS. Okay, thank you for watching.